Hi, I'm Steve Goldberg from Venrock. So Venrock, in general, is a diversified firm. We do everything from healthcare to consumer to enterprise software to networking. Particularly, I'm kind of the science guy there, so I do a lot of embedded systems, robotics, wearables, drones, wireless, that kind of thing. There's a couple of things. I think number one, at Venrock, the team is very important. So people that are matched to the market, they really understood the market, they really understand the market, they maybe come from that market, a very thought through execution plan, and probably way up there too is a market that we think is big enough. Our fund is like a lot of the California funds, the large ones, where we need $1 billion outcome. So we're looking for the waves. What are they going to be the next big things? And not only do you have to do well, but sometimes high tide helps you also. Well, I think, sort of adding to the last comment, anything related to cloud where you get the benefit of aggregated data, so cloud computing, cloud processing together with crowdsourced information where people's data gets aggregated anonymously, but you can make decisions based on sort of what the crowd does. Internet security is always big. It's the gift that keeps on giving. It's kind of an arms war, and there's a never-ending need for technology. And then I think what I mentioned before, what I'm specifically looking at are a lot of these systems companies related to robotics and drones and wearables where you're integrating wireless and processing and signal processing and cloud and hardware are kind of all coming together now because the price points are right and you can actually solve real problems.